I totally understand you need to make money online, but don't know where to start. And is digital marketing for you or not? Or what kind of things you need to do in order to make money online? So basically, there are so many multiple business models out there. You can try Amazon, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, trading, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing. But you need to choose one business model which will be profitable. If you are a beginner, you don't know where to start, you don't even know the basic foundation of business model, it's very important to understand that starting a business from the scratch is very difficult. That's why digital marketing is the best for you, or affiliate marketing. But in this video, I'm going to talk about digital marketing. What is digital marketing and how we can make money from it, and what kind of products are there which we need to sell. So basically, digital marketing is marketing of a digital products, and a lot of business models comes under digital marketing, whether it is affiliate marketing, social media optimization, Instagram growth, website building, website designing, website development. There are so many sub niches which you can go under in the digital marketing. The first of all, the first thing which you need to understand in digital marketing, you need to select that product which can be a valuable and helping. Basically, there are three kind of niches you need to decide. The number one niche is health and fitness. In health and fitness, if you have an interest in health and fitness, you can partnership with some products, for example, supplements. And you might have seen so many people selling Sheila Jeet or supplements, their ebooks regarding fitness, audiobooks regarding fitness, their coaching program. Basically, if you have a skill in fitness category, you are a fitness trainer, then health niche will be much better, and you can still do the digital marketing business if you are a in a health niche. Second niche is wealth niche. Wealth niche is the make money online niche. Real estate, cryptocurrency, stock market, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, selling digital products and making money online comes under wealth niche. For example, if you want to teach someone how to make money through chat GPT, so if you know about it, how you can make money from it, so get some knowledge, how can you make money from it, then share a digital marketing ebook and you can sell that ebook at $7 to $10. And if you don't have any kind of skill, the first thing is you need to learn the skill. You should be having the skill so that you can sell in the market. Imagine you don't have any kind of skills and you are trying to sell the product. Nobody will going to trust you because you don't have a social value and you haven't achieved anything. For example, I have built my multiple six-figure affiliate marketing business and I'm also doing digital marketing. So if I am launching any digital marketing product, definitely people will gonna buy that product because they can see my results, client study, case studies as well, who has made money in the digital marketing business. After understanding this, the third last niche is the relationship niche. In relationship niche, you might have noticed that people who are going through breakup and who want to go into the relationship, they will find a relationship coach. If you have a skill that you can help others to get their desired loving partner, or you can help others to sort out the fights between the partners, then you can go in the relationship niche. So basically, what kind of product I am promoting? So I am promoting a product which is under a digital niche, and it is a MRR product. Now, what is MRR product? MRR product is basically there are two main meaning of MRR. The first one is monthly recurring revenue. For example, you have launched subscription model and you are making money reoccurring. And for example, there are softwares where you need to pay a subscriptions. Second MRR full form is market resale rights. You buy a product and you get a market resale right. You cannot change the branding and you can sell as it is at 100% profit. Imagine you have purchased one course or you have purchased one digital product and now you have the right to sell that product at that price. And another product is called PLR. PLR is private labor rights. So PLR means private labor rights means where you can change your branding, make it your own product, customize the template, customize the graphics, and make it your own and sell it at your price. In MRR, there is a restriction. You cannot do the changes in the product, but you can resell it at 100% profit. But in PLR, you cannot you can sell the product and you can do the branding in your own. I hope you understood the difference between PLR and MRR. Now, let's come to the point. If you are a beginner, you don't know what to do, and if you have a budget of 500 USD, you can start your digital marketing business. You need one product which is a valuable, and you can sell that product, valuable product, to others. And if you are investing in that product, it means you have the knowledge about that product. You will start learning about it, how these things works. Let me show you that product, which is the DWA course, why mostly people are selling it and why it is so beneficial for you, and how can I help you in that. So let me share this thing. So this is the screen, if you can see. So this is the DWA course, and this is the Digital Wealth Academy course. It's a MRR product. Its cost is 497 USD, and it gives you 100% market resale rights. So if I will show you here, we can go to the testimonials. So these people who are making money, like for example, $10,000 made being an international student, and if here you can see this person has made $330. So these people are selling PLR or digital products. You can say $2,500 this person has made in 3 months as a complete beginner. The reason was she purchased the MRR product, which is a DWA, and sold to 5 people. So she just made 2,500 USD. And now the next question arises, after investing in DWA course, what we need to do? You need to learn the skills. So these people are making money, $5,000 in past Saturday, 1,300 reach, $30,000 in 4 months. So how they are making? They are just reselling that product, which is giving them MRR rights. Now, if we will go to digital marketing classroom, it teaches you everything from start here to mindset to digital marketing basics, and MRR legal documents, foundation, bypass with stand store, setup with system.io, funnel of the course, bypass with beacons, like how can you build your online store, how to do email marketing, MRR masterclass, what is MRR product, the pre-launch, how you can launch your own brand, and ultimate branding guide, how can you build your own brand on social media. Either you can use Facebook ads or Google ads, but if it's up to you. If you want to spend money on Facebook ads, you can go with that. I will highly recommend you to create your Instagram one, right? So selling on stories, selling in your DM, Faceless Wealth Academy. So it is giving you everything. If you are a man, still you have all the resources, men's for digital market. So these all are the learnings you will be getting. Plus bonus, you will get more PLR products as well, which you can sell. For example, if we go to PLR, so these are the products which you can sell at $17, $27, $37. So these are the products you can sell. If I will show you the example, I'm opening Etsy.com. Etsy.com is also a platform where mostly people are selling the digital products. And after that, if we go to, if I will go to side hustler, you can see here, this person has made more than $500,000 by selling this MRR product. This person has invested in the product, and now this person got the master resale right, and this person is selling MRR product, right? This person has made more than $500,000. So it means you get the 100% right. And this is the Digital Wealth Academy, where there are in the classroom, if you will see the calendar, there are the live coaching calls as well. So basically in 497 USD, you will get every single thing. But what is the main problem comes, why mostly people don't make money, is they start selling without learning and without mastering the skills. So here we come, we have launched Freedom Founders Academy, me, Uzma and Rajveer, and we support people on how can you market this product. Firstly, you need to invest in this product and you can market this product, and we provide 90-day support. So if you are someone who is looking for starting a digital marketing business, if your budget is 1,000 USD, you can go with that, and we will provide you 90-day support, in which we will be helping you out step by step in the messenger group. Whatever kind of help you will be needing, you will be getting all the help. And this is the all overview of the DWA course. What are you getting and how can you make money from it? And basically, if you really want to make money, you really need to invest your money. Maybe you have seen a lot of YouTube videos where people are telling you how to make money at free of cost. And honestly speaking, these videos are great, but you will not gonna make money. And if you are someone who is really interested in it, you can check the description below and you can get the DWA course. And after that, you can text us as well, and we can provide you 90-day support as well. So if your budget is 1000 USD, definitely you can go with that, which basically we charge 1000 USD for 90 days coaching where we support people. But right now for first 10 to 20 people, what we are going to do, you just need to invest 500 USD in DWA and 500 USD for 90 days coaching program. So if you are someone who is interested, you can join our school community and we can step by step guide you. So wish you all the very best. I hope you have found this video helpful. I wish you all the very best. See you in the DWA community or see you in the Freedom Founders community when you will be joining the school community. Wish you all the very best. Bye bye. Take care.